guys, Sammy Lou here, back in McCall's kitchen. It's been a while. Mother's Day's around the corner. So we thought that we'd put together a fun little cupcake Mother's Day gift that you can make on your own, in your own kitchen if you'd like. So I have some pre-made cupcakes here. I've colored them using McCall's colors, some yellow and pink. I've got my Italian meringue buttercream, a few different colors. So I've used like a rose gold, standard pink, simple white. And then I've mixed these two yellows together. So a lemon yellow and a golden yellow together to get this nice color as well. And then I've got some flowers, some fresh ones. And then I've got dried flowers. You can get them at your local craft store maybe, or online probably these days. A few different tips, some bags and some sprinkles. And we're gonna go ahead and dress up our cupcakes. Now you're probably wondering, I'm sure, where I got this box from. I actually made it myself. So if you're interested, let me know, pop a comment below, and if you'd like, I can put together a video on how I make these cupcake boxes. So let me know if you're interested. But otherwise, we'll get started, okay? Okay, so I just pulled my 3 bright pink cupcakes. It really doesn't matter, but I've chosen my bright pink ones for this particular style. So I've got a few cupcakes. Like I said, we're gonna do a few different styles. So I've got these 3. I'm going to take my large star tip and I'm gonna fill this with yellow buttercream. So we've got some yellow buttercream, pink cupcakes, and I am going to take my white nonpareils. I'm going to put them in a very small bowl. I'm going to take a very small amount of white buttercream. By small amount, I mean just like a small amount. You can barely see. And I'm going to cover about a third of my cupcake. Take my cupcake. It's like a semi-naked cupcake is what we're going for. You've heard of like semi-naked cakes? Well, this is a semi-naked cupcake. So I've got my white nonpareils, some buttercream, and I'm just gonna spiral through on the edge here. Because like I said, we're doing a semi-naked cupcake, so I'm only putting buttercream on half. Simple. And I'm gonna do that on all 3 of these. Now I'm just gonna put these aside for now. I promise I'm not finished with them, but I'm gonna move on to my other cupcakes. They need some decorations as well. All right, so I grabbed 2 more cupcakes. I'm going to do like a rosette wave leaf thing. I kind of made it up, so just follow along. I'm gonna grab a few bags. I need 3 piping bags for this one. Quick little tip, this might work for you, it works for me. I like to put at the beginning all of my colors into the piping bags that I'm using first. If I need it again, it's so much easier for me to just into my piping bag, right? Instead of leaving some in the bowl, just a little trick. Again, it might not work for you, it works for me. Okay, we're gonna do a little rosette, a little wave or riff. Wave or a ruffle. It's a ruffle. And just like our other cupcakes, gonna put it aside. Not done with it, I'm just putting it aside for now. Okay, and for these 2 cupcakes, this time I'm going to add a few different colors. And just like I did with the other cupcakes, just gonna put them aside, we're not finished yet. And these, I'm just gonna do simple rosettes. So remember when I put all the cupcakes aside? Well, I put them on a tray because I'm gonna add my sprinkles because my buttercream is still nice and moist. So I'm gonna put my sprinkles on my cupcakes now. When I'm finished, I'm gonna pop these into the fridge, not for too long because I don't want them to dry out, but just long enough so that my buttercream firms up a little bit. So I've got a variety of different sprinkles. I've got some, these are my favorite, these gold ones. They're like metallic, different sizes. White nonpareils, loving these bright pinks and yellows, which we're gonna use. Then there's this Mother's Day blend as well that we might bust open. Okay, so no rhyme or reason. I'm just gonna kind of go with the flow, which I encourage everybody to do. Sometimes I have a plan, sometimes I don't. Just go with it. Okay, I am going to put these in the fridge, like I said, just for a few minutes so that the buttercream gets a little stiff, not so that my cupcakes dry out. And then once it's set, we'll come back and we'll place it in our box. Okay, out of the fridge. Okay, they're nice and solid. I'm gonna put them into my little cupcake letter. Again, if you want to see how I made this, just let me know and comment below. So it's much easier to put them in without making a mess. It's great. Happy with the placement. Now you can use whatever tissue paper you want. I've just got some white tissue paper. Just gonna cut it up into small squares. Fill in some of the larger gaps with tissue paper. So I still have some gaps, but that's great because I'm gonna add flowers as well. Just do it until you're happy with what you've got. Got this cute little Mother's Day sign, got it from the McCall's website. It was actually a sign I just broke the stick off. It's supposed to be a cake topper, but I really like it like this, so I broke it off. So I'm gonna put that right in the center of my cake. If you're wondering, I did K because my mother's name is Kristen, so I figured I might as well give her a happy Mother's Day cupcake box with her initial. That's where the K came from. All right, so we're not done yet. I mean, you could finish it just like this, but have to put gold on everything. You know the drill. So I'm using a gold dust shimmer. Gonna mix it with just a little bit of vodka, and I'm gonna splatter because I'm really a big fan of layering and textures. It just elevates it. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna grab some vodka. Oh, by the way, if you don't want to use vodka, you can use lemon extract too. Okay, so that's how we make, or how I make, my cupcake initials. Again, if you're interested in how to make the boxes, comment below. We can roll something out for you guys. Speaking of rolling out, we've got tons of Mother's Day videos coming your way, and tons more products from McCall's too. I mean, I used a very select few of sprinkles, but there's really lots available if you just take a look at the website. But if you try to make your own cupcake, monogram, cupcake initial, please tag us, #LoveMcCalls. We would love to see what you come up with. Again, as usual, use your own colors, your own sprinkles, really whatever you feel inspired by. We'd just love to see what you come up with if you decide to do something along the lines of this. Maybe it's for Mother's Day, maybe it's for a birthday. But yeah, we'd love to see what you guys come up with. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.